Noida, and I was surfing on the internet and luckily I came across a brand which is called as Vestige. Vestige आप बोलोगे क्या है? Vestige is a brand जो सारे FMCG products which are our daily necessity products इसको cater करता है. So I thought why not? I can just order few of the products and let's show it to my audiences. So let's see our first product. So first I would like to show it to you. It's a body wash, okay, and it's made up of honey and multi-fruit. Okay, let's see. I'll definitely review this product जब मैं एक बार इसको use कर लूँ, and definitely going to share my feedback with all of you. Next I ordered was charcoal peel off mask. I know ladies definitely want to use this mask because since salons काफी time से closed है, so it's basically a charcoal peel off mask, and it has ingredients like it has diamond dust and bamboo charcoal. So let's see, I will use it and definitely know to my ladies audiences how this works on the skin. Another one is hair spa. It's change in the rainy season, lot of moisture level, humidity level, everything has changed. So why not, I thought कि एक बार hair spa घर पे कर लिया जाए, because मुझे नहीं लगता कि any one of us is going to go to salon for a long time. Next one is let's see, I also ordered a face scrub, okay, and it is made up of walnut shell powder and wheat germ oil. Another one which I ordered is a face wash, but this one I ordered for my husband, and the brand name is Truman. I really liked इसका packing, बहुत attractive packing है. So it's a green tea extract shampoo. Hopefully it works wonders on my hair as well. The next category is let's see which we can see is, let's see the soaps. So again Truman का मैंने I ordered one men's face wash and again a soap also. Again you can see Truman brand का packaging is really amazing. I was impressed. Only उसका packaging की वजह से मैंने इसको buy करा. So another soap is made up of neem, tulsi and pudina. It is usually to nourish our skin. So we completed the toiletries. Last one was our soaps. Then was the face scrub, face mask and shampoo. Moving ahead, हम देखेंगे अभी next category क्या है. So they had 3 different categories for toothpaste. Okay, so I was really intimidated to buy all of them, by the way. So मैंने हर एक का एक quantity order करा है. So the first one is as all of us can see, it is a whitening toothpaste. Okay. The second one is just a regular toothpaste which fights the germ, and the next one is a toothpaste which has mushroom as an ingredient of it. So I am really eager to try this product, and again I was superly amazed by the packaging of this toothbrushes. क्या बोलते हो audiences, open करके देखा जाए how are our brushes looking. So let's see कैसे दिखते हैं. Oh, again it's nicely packed. It's nicely packed, and एक packet में you can see there are 4 toothbrushes which come. So it's again a good product to use. Next category is the kitchen categories and floor cleaning agents. So for kitchen, I ordered liquid detergents for dishwashing, and let's see how it goes. It's looking good, but without trying I really can't say whether how good it is. It has lemon powder in it, so I think it's going to be a good detergent. Then मैंने एक disinfectant toilet cleaner भी order करा है. Okay, and it says it kills 99% of germs and very less scrubbing is required. So that was one of the major reason कि मैंने ये इसलिए order करा था. Okay, so the last 2 ingredients जो मैंने buy किए हैं उसमें से एक है floor cleaning agent and the another one is a glass cleaning agent. They both are looking good honestly, and I'll get back to you with the review for sure. So मैंने अभी तक जितने भी आपको प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए हैं, ट्रस्ट मी वो मैंने काफी अफोर्डेबल और रीजनेबल रेट्स में खरीदे हैं, एंड मैंने रफली अगर मैं बताऊं आप लोगों को तो 20 और डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए हैं वेस्टीज से, एंड मुझे सब पे 10 to 15% ऑफ डिस्काउंट मिला है। एंड ये प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने घर पे बैठे बैठे ऑनलाइन, उनका एक ऐप है वहां से ऑर्डर करे हैं एंड डिलीवरी मुझे 3 दिन में मिल गई थी इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की। देयर इज अ स्मॉल ट्विस्ट इन दिस, ओके, इफ घर बैठे बैठे आप लोगों को भी वेस्टीज के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करना है एंड यू वांट टू गेट वन एडेड बेनिफिट विच इज अर्न कैसे करना है वेस्टीज के प्रोडक्ट्स बाय करने के बाद। सो इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस, नीचे जो आपको एक कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दिया उस पर प्लीज कॉल बैक कर। टिल देन बाय।